Hi everyone, welcome back to Team Salam, and today I'm gonna show you how to make French toast. So first you need bread, vanilla extract, milk, egg, butter, and also of course you need a bowl and a fork. So first, take 3 eggs and put it in the bowl. Actually, we're gonna use a fork, that's easier. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. After you finished mixing, add some milk. And now mix again. Now you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then mix. Now you need to dip it in the egg. Now, once you're done at least dipping 2 bread in eggs, add to your frying pan 1 teaspoon of butter. And then now you can put your dipped bread in the pan. And then put the second egg. Now flip it to the opposite side to cook from the other side. When you think it's ready, ta-da! It's ready. Now just pat it a little bit. Ta-da! Look at it! Now you can design it with any toppings of your choice. I'm using whipped cream, sprinkles, and chocolate sauce. Now let's drizzle this chocolate sauce. This is for my sister. I'm making her breakfast. 1 second. Ta-da! Oh wow, I love that. Now let's design it. I think we should add a bit more of chocolate sauce. Ta-da! This is the final result.